this still has all of its slots. Comes with stun resistance.
That's like a very good utility.
That's insane. Like, that's incredibly useful for something that's just like, you're gonna be using it anyway, you know what I mean? Like, oh, I can actually see, I haven't seen what the heavy bowgun and light bowgun Fatalis ends look like. Oh, it's called the Vor Cannon. I already don't like it based off of the name. The Electron looks kind of cooler, to be honest. Have you seen it?
Good luck with that, Jerry.
I don't think any of the Fatalis weapons are relatively that cool.
I like the Switch Axe one. It's kind of cool. Because it's got like his eye in the middle. The thing is that the Safi weapons were really insane looking. You know, like, kind of hard to top those.
And they had like awakened versions.
Now, dude, and don't even get me started on the Safi Charge Blade where the eye pops out and you swing that. The Fatalis.
Fatalis is like one of the oldest elders.
True. So they probably just got the design from the older games. Yeah, that makes sense.
The design probably went like too extravagant.
Oh, okay. The Fatalis light bowgun though looks really cool. You know what the trigger is? Or what the trigger guard is. Sorry. This fucking eye. That actually looks really cool. And since I don't really like the Guild Palace light bowgun, that might be my new like fashion for light bowgun. Because the one that I was using before was the yeah, what's it called? I would switch between the Rajang light bowgun every now and then because I kind of like that it's like a Gatling gun type thing. And I forget the other one. Oh, I'm gonna go to the bathroom. I'll be right back.
Stay calm, man. Just run away. Come on, out of the way.